Welcome back. We've been busy since you've seen us last. Mom's been working very hard on the living room floor and she's made some real progress. She's actually almost done. Cut it, you could use a pen, and then you could still use that cardboard. The other piece. Frame just climbed under my bed. Turn it around and use the other side. I have this lined up perfectly. Oh. What the hell? Or just push it forward a little bit further. Yeah, and then square up the corner there. Okay, right up there. No, we're gonna go like this. Go like this. And then just cut a little bit more off of that. This ramp will be the last part of the living room and it'll all be done. Our big beautiful tree is producing those berries again, and there are so many birds coming and going all day. From the break of dawn, there's a group of birds coming and then they leave and a different group of birds comes, and they are all different colors. I wish you could see it better in this, but they're up there. At night, when all the birds are sleeping, This tree is still thick with things up there eating the berries. The bats come. I made a little bit of progress on the kitchen counter. Still have a ways to go. I did start on the other side of the door though. I got the taping. I got half of the taping done. I still needed to tape the other half of it, and then I can start painting the very first coat of primer. And from there, after I prime it, then I'll stain the parts that need to be stained. Merry Christmas, everyone. To all of our family and friends, Merry Christmas. We had a roast chicken. Joshua was in Panama City with his wife and son, and they got some awesome pictures here of the fireworks in Panama City. Happy New Year! Take care of yourselves. Hope to see you next time.